Looking to earn big with BUMS, Season 2.0 has officially launched, and it brings massive rewards for users who take action. Whether you are new to the ecosystem or returning after Season 1, this is your opportunity to get ahead. BUMS is a blockchain-based rewards platform that gives back to users for every action they take. Season 2.0 comes with a bigger prize pool, more powerful features, and a better chance to grow your crypto journey. In this video, you're going to learn how to earn medals, increase your score in the cap game, and claim your share of the airdrop in just a few simple steps. If you missed Season 1, there is no need to worry. Season 2.0 is bigger, better, and available to everyone. The team has introduced several upgrades to make this season more exciting. The total reward pool has doubled, which means you can earn more tokens by completing simple tasks. The timeline has been extended, so you have more time to qualify. There's also news that BUMS is preparing for major exchange listings, including Binance, which could lead to a major increase in the token's value. Now is the time to join and start earning. To get started, you need to collect medals. Medals are the key to unlocking token rewards in the BUMS system. You can earn medals by completing daily activities, such as spinning the reward wheel, watching short videos, inviting your friends, or participating in BUMS social media tasks. Follow BUMS on Twitter and Telegram for extra medal bonuses and community missions. You can increase your medal multiplier by staking or simply holding BUMS tokens in your wallet. The earlier you start, the more valuable your medals are because medal values decrease as more people begin to participate. One of the most exciting features of Season 2.0 is the cap game. This is where competition gets serious. Players who are consistent and active every day rise on the leaderboard. This is not about quick wins, it is about staying active and growing your score over time. Join community alliances to gain access to secret strategies and team rewards. Look out for double medal events that offer huge advantages for those paying attention. These events are time-limited and give you a major push toward the top of the board. Make sure you know the snapshot date. This is the moment when your medal's activity and performance are locked in. If you qualify, you will receive your token rewards directly to your wallet shortly after. It is important to stay safe while participating. Only use official BUMS links and avoid third-party websites or scams. For all updates, community help, and breaking news, join the official BUMS Telegram group and stay connected. Season 2.0 will not last forever. If you want to make the most out of this opportunity, take action now. Earn medals, play smart, and rise in the cap game. If you are ready to climb the leaderboard and claim your rewards, then give this video a like, subscribe to Crypto Pearl, and let us know your current medal count in the comments. Full resources, official links, and guides are included in the video description. This is your time to shine in the world of BUMS. See you inside the cap game.